In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a luxury Shopify website. Start by opening your browser and heading to shopify.com. On the home page, click Login, sign in with your email, or one of the available single sign-on options. If you're creating a new account, follow the prompts to set it up and consider enabling two-factor authentication for extra security. Once you're in your admin dashboard, keep it open. We'll come back to it in a moment. In a new tab, go to themes.shopify.com. This is where you'll choose the foundation of your store's look and feel. For a luxury experience, you want something clean, modern, and image-forward. A great free option is the Dawn theme. Preview it to see how it handles large imagery, typography, and product pages. When you're happy, add the theme to your library. As you customize, think high-end design, generous white space, refined fonts, a limited color palette, and elegant, consistent spacing. Avoid clutter and keep motion subtle so the focus stays on your products. Head back to your Shopify admin. In the left panel, go to Products, then choose Add Product. This is where you'll build out your catalog, add a clear product title, and upload high-quality photos. Use consistent lighting and backgrounds to create a cohesive premium feel. Keep your description short and purposeful, highlighting what makes the product special. List key features succinctly, and add variants if you offer different sizes, colors, or materials. Set your price, track inventory if needed, and use collections and tags to organize items so they're easy to navigate. Before you save, check the search engine listing preview to ensure your title and description look clean and compelling. Now go to Settings in the left panel and open Payments. Turn on Shopify Payments to accept major cards and digital wallets. Complete the required business details and select the payment methods your audience prefers. If you use test mode during setup, remember to disable it before launch. Next, set your shipping method. Create shipping profiles and rates that align with a premium brand. Many luxury stores offer free shipping above a threshold or flat, transparent rates. Define handling times, choose appropriate packaging, and enable carrier-calculated rates if you want real-time accuracy. If you're selling digital products or services, mark them as not requiring shipping to simplify checkout. That's it. Preview your store, test the checkout, and refine details like minimal navigation, polished imagery, and consistent styling. When it all feels cohesive and high-end, publish and start selling with confidence.